Welcome to my channel, my review channel, Be Beautiful Says. Today I'm going to be testing a product that I received for free or either at a discounted cost in order for me to give you my honest and unbiased review. And that product today we're going to be reviewing is the Bellemain Manual Meat Grinder. And what actually came in the box here are a couple of pieces. You have the meat that you press to use to press the meat in. We have the unit itself. The unit did not come with the handle on it. The handle, you just slide it in there and twist it on there. Also, there is the blade, which is in the inside of here. And also, it came with two different disc blades. The one that is on here is really for smaller grinding, and then the other is here, and it's a little bit bigger for larger chunks. So what I decided to do is I decided to take some pork chops and ground up some pork so I can make my own Italian sausage. So it's really simple. And the directions are on the box on how to use everything and how to screw on and attach all of the pieces and how to use the mincer itself. So what I'm going to do is on the side, there is a lock. So let's go ahead and lock this to the table. As you can see, it's locked on there. I can go ahead and put my pork pieces in here. I'm going to press down. I'm going to grind. More. You do have to put a little muscle in it because you are grounding fresh meat. The plastic seems to be very heavy. The grounding of the meat is coming out very nicely, and I'll show you that in a minute. The plastic seems to be very durable. The blade seems to be very sharp because it's not taking a whole lot to get that meat grounded once I put it in there. And as you twist, the meat is pushed forward. So you really don't have to worry about meat getting left in your grinder as you're grinding. It looks like some is still at the front, but that's okay. So let me show you what I have actually produced at this point. Morning in the front of my table. Okay, if you can see, there's freshly ground pork. I have to say that I'm very satisfied with the product. Once you lock it into place, it does not move. As I put the meat in, you can see that it took me not very long to ground up, about a pound, because I had 6 pieces, which is about 2 pounds. So it took me about a good minute and a half to ground up about a pound. I think she does an excellent job. I think it will last, and I have no complaints. So for this product, for our Bellemain manual meat grinder, I have to say I give this a 5-star. This is a very good, durable product. I'd like to thank you for watching my review channel. And if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment area below, and I'll be sure to answer and respond as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching my review channel. Beautiful Sis.